Kita menggunakan what, menanyakan subjek.
Ya.
Kalimatnya adalah a cat and a dog
Ya.
sleep on the floor. Rubah dari simple present ke past, future perfect, progresif. Sebutkan nama tensisnya, baru sebut kalimatnya pakai what awalnya. Thank you.
Kalimatnya kan tunggu dulu, Kak. Kalimatnya
A cat and a dog sleep on the floor.
A cat
And a dog sleep on the floor.
A cat
And a dog sleep on the
And-
floor. Oke, siap?
Oke.
Ya, wajah ke kamera. Oke, siap. Supaya enak hasilnya nunya video. Oke, 1, 2, 3.
Present. Simple present. What is
What is?
eh, What is What is
Kenapa na what is?
What toh? What is
Iya, kenapa na is?
What is
Ih,
What
kenapa na pakai is di situ?
Jadi pakai it berarti
Sleep di situ kan? Tidur. What?
oh ya sleep Kak. Oh.
Seekor anjing
Oh, iya,
dan
Kak, iya,
seekor
Kak.
kucing
Paham, ya?
tidur di lantai.
What
Apa yang tidur di lantai?
kucing.
Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
What sleep
Dihitung tunggal. What sleeps?
sleeps. Sorry. Ulangi Kak, ulangi.
Lanjut Mi.
What sleeps on the floor?
Nah, simple.
Simple past. What slept in the floor?
On.
On the floor.
Kalau in di dalam itu.
Sorry. On balik dia.
Nah,
Simple future. What will sleep on the floor?
ya.
Simple past future.
Mati itu toh. Oke. Makanya kan ini makanya menghadap ke depan supaya ketahuan.
Simple future.
Simple past future.
Simple past future. What would sleep on the floor?
Nyala juga kan?
Mana lagi?
Lanjut Mi.
Present, progressive, or continuous. What is sleeping on the floor?
Nah,
Past, progressive, or continuous. What was sleeping on the floor? Future, progressive, or continuous. What will be sleeping on the floor? Simple, past, future, progressive, or continuous. What would be sleeping on the floor? Present perfect. What has slept on the floor? Past perfect. What had slept on the floor? Simple. Future progress perfect. What will have slept on the floor? Past, future, perfect. What would have slept on the floor? Present, perfect, progressive, or continuous. What has sleeping on the floor?
Nah, ulangi.
What has sleeping? What has been sleeping on the floor? Past, perfect, progressive, or continuous. What had been sleeping on the floor? past, future, future, perfect, progressive or continuous. What will have been sleeping on the floor?
Ya.
Past, future,
Past
perfect, progressive or continuous. What would have been sleeping on the floor?
Oke, good.